Hello everyone, welcome to Hands-on Business Analytics. This lecture is about giving you an overview of how to build a big data application using usin Explorer engine. Now when you open your Data Explorer, you will want to create a search collection first. For details on how to create a search collection, please refer to my previous lecture in this series. Next, you want to create a project. A project is created in the same way that a search collection is created, so you can just click on the plus sign and give the name here. And I've created a project named My First Project. The project I've just created is just a copy of the core, which is the default project that comes with usin Explorer engine. So it uses the default search collections and the default display, and you need to configure the project with components you have just created for your business usage. As you can see that I've already changed my sources by clicking on the edit here. And if you wanted to choose your own search connections, you can just type in your search connection name and it will automatically appear, as you can see. The sources option defines the set of sources that a user will be accessing through the project by default, and the advanced option here defines the set of sources that a user will be accessing when additional options are set in that object's display. And as you can see that there's also a display option here, which enables you to associate a custom look and a feel. And this is an extremely flexible system that allows the application developer to truly customize the way information is searched and delivered to the user. So in order to create a display, you can click on the plus sign here, give it a name. So after you have created your display, it will appear here. As you can see, I've already changed the name to my first app and page name to my first page, and I've already given a logo here, as you can see. Let's come back to our project, and the way to change the display is also the same as changing the source by click on the edit sign here and type in the name of your customized display, and it will automatically appear. So in order to test our projects, you can just type in, click on the project name and type in a word like, for example, internet, and it will automatically appear the search results. As you can see that I've already shifted the position of the search clusters to the right of the page, and here's my logo. So I want to talk about several points regarding the construction of our big data application. So you want to optimize the application in a later phase by, for example, optimizing content such as where can be found when the user is looking for information, where does that information come from, how is information stored, is some information more important than others, etc. You may also want to optimize the processing of your search. For example, how does a query work? Can the usin Explorer engine expand or correct a query? Could it suggest queries? And who can receive the results? And what kind of results can be returned to the specific type of user, etc. You may also want to optimize the delivery. For example, what information is returned to the user, where is it returned, and is the information user specific, etc. These are the questions you may want to consider in the later phase. In addition, before you go on building your applications, you should have a proper planning of things like the development process, the data sources, the platform location, system load and redundancy, usage, and post-deployment planning, such as monitoring, maintenance, and updates.